In my heart, in my soul, you're the light that makes me whole. Every breath, every dream, baby, you are all I need. I've walked alone through lonely nights, searching for a guiding light. You came in and changed my world, stopped my heart from being curled. No more sadness, no more gray. You turned my darkness into day. You calm my storm, you heal my pain. With you I'm never lost again. No one else can take your place. You're my forever.